Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given a figure and we have to find the value of the angle y. Now we know that the total sum of internal angles of a four-sided polygon is 360. Now since sum of internal angles of a four-sided polygon is 360 degrees. So we are going to use this property in order to solve the given question, because in the question only one angle is unknown, so we need only one equation. So from the above property we can say that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R plus angle S will be equals 360 degrees. Now angle P is given in the question as y degrees, angle Q is equals 40 degree, angle R is 140 degrees and angle S is 143 degrees, which is equals 360 degrees. So it will become y degree equals 360 degrees minus say adding all the constants in the left hand side and then shifting it to the right hand side, it will give us minus of 323 degrees. Therefore 360 minus of 323 will become 37 degrees. So y degree will be equals 37 degrees, and thus this will be our final required answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.